Hello everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful personalized gift starting from a simple idea of a greeting card and growing this idea into something really unique, and I guarantee that whoever receives it will be very happy about it. I figured I would make a flower bouquet, so I started making some flowers, of course. Next, you will see flowers of different models but using the same two colors, light and a darker shade of blue. All this you've already seen in previous video tutorials, so just follow my hands if you want to replicate the same ones, because they are really simple to make. If you want more details about how to make these basic shapes, I will leave a playlist link in the description and it will take you to some tutorials I made on a multitude of shapes. After finishing all the petals, it's time to glue each of them together and start having some flowers done. You'll need a bit of patience here, as this can get quite tedious sometimes, but it's worth it in the end when you see the result. For my background, I chose thick colored cardboard. It is really thick because it needed to be strong to hold our flowers and not to bend or break. I wanted to give it a little twist, so I used a dark grey as a main background and a purple shade for the margins because I wanted to create an interesting contrast. This last color I see it as a medium orchid or close to plum color or mulberry, but it depends of how you perceive it because the shades and tints are so many that sometimes a normal eye gets confused by them. Anyway, choose one that will go well with your background and you can always check the color wheel to get some ideas on how to combine things. After the margins are glued, I started arranging the flowers and gluing them too into a nice bouquet, some of them at an angle to get a raised 3D look. Here it depends also on your eyes and taste because the way of combining all the shapes is different from person to person. Take care not to leave glue residues around your elements because they will be quickly noticeable on the dark background. I continued by adding some stems to our flowers. For a real bouquet feeling, it's a tedious job as I mentioned, but in the end everything was worth it. I wanted everything to have a bit of warmth and some fine texture accents, so this time I got some fabric on our project and I chose two narrow black ribbons that I added near the purple margins and another surprise bit you will see later. Again I'm saying take care of the extra glue because there's gotta be none of it in sight. Surprise, surprise! I added a hot pink ribbon too as a bow for our bouquet, carefully putting some glue in order to make it retain its shape. Keep it pressed a little, wait for the glue to dry and we're done. This one required a lot of patience, but I really like how it came out. Don't worry, once you get to doing multiple versions of the same element, your muscle memory will really kick in and you will be able to do them faster with time. Just keep at it. What do you guys think? Do you like my color combination or would you have gone a different route? Even better, if you have another color combination in mind, please drop a comment below and let me know what you would use. Hope you enjoyed our special project of today and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Thanks for watching and take care!